Morning guys, Robbie at RC Detail. Hey, we're in here this morning working on a 2015 Chevy Silverado. We get a lot of phone calls and whatnot, people saying they want ceramic coating, and then they might be a little scared of the price or whatnot, and sometimes some confusion in what paint correction is versus ceramic itself. So what we wanted to do this morning was talk about that a little bit. So with a ceramic coating, your ceramic coating is your protection. That's your top layer to protect the work that we've done. Like most good things, prep is everything. So paint correction is actually the prep process. You guys have been following our story and we made a few TikToks on this truck. We're doing a paint correction on this. Paint correction is the process of removing swirls and scratches through buffing the vehicle with different compounds, polishes, pads, and sometimes wet sandpaper. So you do have the option with us guys to just have a paint correction done. It's sometimes a little bit more budget friendly. We can remove those swirls and scratches. Again, the paint correction process, or the ceramic itself, is the protection on top of the work. It hardens your clear coat. We add back to that clear as well, because every time we take cutting compound to your vehicle, we're actually removing a little bit of the clear, so the ceramic helps replace that. Anyways guys, we hope you have a good Taco Tuesday, and follow along as we finish this truck today.